Karel David Prinsloo kanye noJohannes Nicholas Stassen bathole ukukhululeka njengoba bededelwe ngebheyili nakuba umbuso busiphikisa isicelo sabo. Laba bobabili babhekene namacala okucekela phansi impahla nokushaya ngenhloso yokulimaza. Basolwa ngokushaya uThato Lepinka esigamekweni sokusolwa ukuthi siyamene nobuhlanga esenzeke enxanxatheleni yezitolo ePitoli ngozibandlela wanyakenye. Umphenyo bethula ubufakazi bakhe uveze ukuthi labalisa bangamalungu eqembu lezithuthuthu ehlalise elibhojoza umphakathi kanti ubufakazi balokho. Kepha iMantshi kuleli cala ithe abukho ubufakazi obenele ngalezi insolo.
All the incident I've referred to, including the alleged deletion of the images of the incident from the video footage at the shop, occurred while we were in custody. The deletion was done by somebody else and not any one of you. And there is no indication that the person who deleted the images of the incident from the video footage was acting on your instruction.
Ummeli wabasolwa uthele sisigameko asiyamaniseki nobuhlanga.
As a nation of the South Africa, we believe whereby if the two people, a black and a white people, are fighting, or a black person vice versa fighting with the blacks, automatically it's racism, for which is very bad.
Lesi sinqumo asehlanga kahle emalungeni emndeni yezisulu.
There are people who are afraid to testify when they are behind bars. Now he's releasing these two to go and harass those people who are already afraid. So it does not augur well for justice.
iMantshi ixwayisa uPrinsloo kanye noStassen ngokuthi bangaxhumani nofakazi futhi uma bengazama ukubalekela leli cala angeke anqene ukubavalela. Kulindele ukuthi babuyele enkantolo mhla ziyi-11 kwephezulu.